Hi, this is day 3 of me sharing what I've learned in the day about day trading. So let's go. How would I know if I want to buy a stock or sell a stock? What is the general market sentiment? Is it in an uptrend or a downtrend? For me to understand that, I'd want to form a bigger picture understanding. How do I really do that? I need to look at the indices of that particular geography. For example, I like to trade in US stocks, so I look at the indices that are relevant to that geography. I'd probably look at S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. Now, if they look to be green, that means that investor confidence is high, there's volume in the market, and obviously people would generally want to buy that day. However, if it's a bloodbath and it's looking really red, that means that people are not feeling it. People want to withdraw from the market. They're selling their stocks. They're closing their positions. Probably not the best day to buy that day. So that is indices. How do we then understand more? How do we drill down to understand what the whole market situation is? We probably look at how the overall economies are doing. So, for example, I'm based out in the UK, and for me, relevant news would be Bank of England cutting down interest rates and things like that. Just last week, Bank of England cut down interest rates to 3.2%. That means that they're trying to boost the economy. They're trying to restart the economy. It's usually looked at in a very good light. And then investor confidence is high. That would obviously have the markets going up. So I'd also want to ride the wave, and I would like to buy stocks that day rather than go short. And then the third thing, which is I think very important in markets, is just people's sentiment, right? We're all emotional people. We just, if things don't go our way, we want to just take our money out. For example, COVID, right? COVID happened, we did not know where the world was going. People just started panic selling. They wanted to exit the markets. So emotions play a big role, and that is definitely one of the things that we need to watch out for. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.